Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple one-page website with Elementor. First, we'll start by adding a hero section at the top of the page. The free version is pretty limited, so I'm going to delete some elements to make it look the way that I want. You can get copyright-free pictures on Pixabay without having an account. I'll link it below. Next, we'll add another section and change the icons and headings. You would obviously add more information about your company than what I am. You can use your own icons if you don't like the selection that they have. Now we're adding the services section. Feel free to change the colors and fonts, but I'm just trying to go fast here. Next, we're adding the team section. You should change the pictures and fill out the titles and bios. I deleted the social media icons because I don't think they're relevant for this type of business. Now I'm adding the contact section. I'm not crazy about the map, so I chose to delete it. And I deleted most of the social media icons, but left the Facebook and Instagram ones because I think that helps add some trust between businesses and customers. And here I'm just changing some of the icon colors. And now that the sections are done, we'll add a navigation menu at the top. For this, you'll want to make anchors for the menu to direct to on the page. So we're giving each section a CSS ID to use in the menu later. And you'll want to remember these IDs for the next step. Create a new section above the hero image and add an image. That will be for your logo. I'm skipping that for now because, yeah, I just want to go fast. Update the page and go back to the WordPress dashboard. Go to Menus under the Appearance tab and create a new menu. And set this to the primary menu and save it. And then under Custom Links, add your section CSS IDs from earlier with the leading £. The link text is what will show on your menu. So just do this for each section that you want on your menu and save it. And then go back to your home page and search for the menu widget and drag it into the header. I'm aligning mine to the right and changing the hover color to blue. I also changed the padding to make it look a little more aligned with the logo. So now you can see that it functions properly and goes to the correct section on the page, but I want the menu to be sticky when I'm scrolling. So to do that, I gave the menu section a CSS ID, saved it, and went back to the dashboard. We'll go to Plugins and install a sticky menu plugin. And once that's installed and activated, go to Settings and click on the sticky menu option. Add your menu's CSS ID and save it. Then go back to your home page again, and the menu should be sticky at the top. It was transparent, so I changed mine to have a white background. You can choose whatever you prefer. And you can add a link to your logo if you want to redirect to the top of your page. So yeah, this is just a super simple one-page website with Elementor without having to use the Pro version. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. If you need website hosting, you can use my link in the description for a discount and a free domain name. That would really help me out. I appreciate any support. Leave a comment if you need help with anything. I can try to answer your questions. But yeah, that's all for now.